This is the only tutorial you will ever need to watch when it comes to buying reps. I've been buying reps for over 5 years and spent thousands of dollars trying every agent there is. So by the end of this, you'll know how to get any shoes, clothes, accessories, literally anything you can think of from China, except for 10 times to 100 times cheaper than normal. Now let's get right into it. So as you can see, we're on the KAKOBUY homepage. The link for this and everything else shown in this video will be down in the description. Real quick, before I show you how to buy anything, I think it's important for you to know what KAKOBUY is and how it works. KAKOBUY is a shipping agent and they pretty much work like a middleman. They do not sell any products themselves. They just purchase items for us from Chinese sellers that we usually cannot buy from because most of these sellers don't ship out of country directly to us. So KAKOBUY buys the item for us, stores it in their warehouse, takes quality check photos to show us how it looks, then gives us the option to refund it or ship it to us if we think it looks good. And before you guys ask, yes, all of this is one-to-one entrusted, and yes, it ships to pretty much every country. Now, first thing you have to do is make an account. If you want over $400 in shipping coupons, then make sure to sign up with the link in the description. It does slightly support me, but it mostly benefits you. Once you're signed up and verified your email, make sure to select your language and currency up here in the top right. It'll make everything way easier. Now we can start finding stuff to buy. There's 3 main ways to find items. The first way is the FashionReps Reddit page. People post their hauls here and usually drop the links right in the post or down in the comments. The links you're looking for are going to be Weidian, Taobao, or 1688 links. Once you find one, just copy it, paste it into KAKOBUY, and click search. Also, make sure to join my Discord. I have a huge list of different subreddits in there to make it easier for you guys. The second way, and honestly my favorite, is a spreadsheet. I made a free one that's fully built into my Discord, so it's clean and easy to use whether you're on your phone or a computer, and I add 50 brand new finds to it every single day. Every item in my Discord has QC photos already on it, so you're not guessing on quality. This way you can see exactly how the item turned out before you buy it. I really think it's the best spreadsheet anybody could use, and it's free, so make sure to join. When you find an item you like, just click on the item link button and it'll bring you straight to the KAKOBUY page. And the third way is through Yupo stores. A Yupo store is basically like a Chinese seller's own website. One big Yupo is Husky Reps. Husky carries almost every single brand in every category of clothes. So let's say you want a hoodie. You just go up here to select the category, find what you want, click on it, and it'll have the Weidian link right here along with a size chart and more pictures. You can copy that link the same way as before and paste it into KAKOBUY. A lot of Yupo sellers blur out their pictures here. Don't worry, it'll still be the item you put the link in for. And Husky is far from the only Yupo. I have a whole section in my Discord with a ton of different Yupo stores. Some do clothes, some do watches, some jewelry, so make sure to check that out. Now that you know how to find items and pull up the item pages, buying it on KAKOBUY is the same as every other agent. First, choose your color or style, then right below it pick your size. For sizing, some items are true to size and some are not. Just to be safe, I usually copy the size chart down here, paste it into ChatGPT with your height and weight and how you want the item to fit on you, and then it'll tell you what size you should get. If it's shoes, shoes go by EU sizing. So if you don't know your EU size, look up a shoe size chart converter and convert your size into an EU size. My shoe size is 9, which is 42.5 EU. And if you pull up an item that does not have a size option, don't worry, just put your size in the remarks down below. Then just choose your quantity, click the check mark, and hit add to cart. And if you ever want to check the QC photos on a specific item before you buy it, KAKOBUY will have QC images down here. And if there are no QC pictures down there, just copy the link in your browser and go to a site called doppel.fit. Paste your link into the search bar and it'll pull up QCs for that item across every single agent. Once you got some items stacked up, go to your cart up here, select what items you want to buy, and then click submit. And I just want to mention this now, the price you see here is not the final price, and these are not coming to you yet. They're going to the KAKOBUY warehouse first, they'll store it for you, take QC photos for you, and then you decide if you want to return them or keep them. Depending on where you live and how big your package is, the price will be different. A small package to the UK might cost $25, and a really large package to the United States might cost $300. So that shipping price will be added on top of this price. If you want to see how much your items will cost to ship to you, you can click the estimator up here, fill out all the info, then click search. Once you click submit, choose one of the payment methods. You can pay with card, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Once you pay for it, it'll show up in your orders tab. Now the seller that you bought from has to ship it to KAKOBUY's warehouse, which takes about 1 to 3 days, and then you get your QC photos. Once they get to the warehouse, it'll show up in your warehouse tab. Here, KAKOBUY took pictures of your exact item, and this is where you decide if you want to keep it if it looks good or return it if it looks bad. Super simple. Once you have a few things sitting in your warehouse, it's time to ship them out. I always recommend shipping in bulk, anywhere from like 2 kilograms and up, because the first kilogram is always the most expensive with any agent. But try to keep it under 10 kilograms because over that, your chance of getting seized goes way up. I have a ton of items in here, so I'll have to split it up. Also, make sure to like the video if you want to see me unbox all of these items. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll make a haul unboxing video showing all of these items and the quality of them. So if you'd like to see that, make sure to subscribe and join my Discord in the description. Once you have everything selected, you have two options: rehearsal packing or submit. They're pretty much the same. I almost always choose submit for delivery, but in some cases you can choose rehearsal packing. Rehearsal packing will save you a few dollars since they pre-package the box for you and get the exact shipping cost. When you choose submit, you're just paying the estimated shipping price, but the amount you overpay will get sent back to your account balance. Most of the time, I usually just hit submit. For packing materials, I usually just get stretch film, and if I have shoe boxes, I might get corner protection. Once you choose those, then pick your shipping line. I always go with the cheapest one that has a decent delivery time. And make sure you have insurance checked just in case you get seized. I've never been seized once, but it's cheap, so I recommend getting it. And if you have shoes in your haul, I usually tell them to fold the shoe boxes just so shipping is a little bit cheaper. Then make sure to select the coupons you get from signing up with the link, then just check the box and pay like you did earlier. Then once you pay, your package will be in the parcel tab. This is where your tracking number will show up in a couple of days. To track it, I recommend using 17 track. And after that, your package will show up 7 to 12 days later. And that was a full-on guide on everything you need to know on how to buy from KAKOBUY. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Also, if you need help with anything in this process, feel free to leave a comment. I try responding to every single one I can. Otherwise, join my Discord in the description, and I guarantee someone in there will help answer your question. And even if you don't need help, it's just a chill place to hang out. Plus, I'm running giveaways in there pretty much 24/7, so make sure to join for that. Without wasting any more time, thank you guys so much for watching the video.